Hi, I'm Phil from Rightmaths, and today I want to talk about multiplying or expanding and simplifying double brackets. Now, when we talk about expanding double brackets, there are two terms in each of the brackets. There's an x term or another letter plus a number term, generally anyway. And we've got to multiply out all the terms. So what I want to do first is cover up the number term first. Now I'm using a purple dot, but you can use your finger. Okay, so I'm left with just the x, and I'm going to multiply the x by the first x in the second bracket. So we're left with, well, we get x squared, because x times x is x squared. We're going to stay with the x, and we're going to multiply it by the 4. So we get plus 4x. Then we can move our finger, or in my case the purple dot, and I can then multiply the plus 3 by the x. Now notice it is a plus 3, so it's plus 3x, and then the plus 3 by the plus 4, which is plus 12. Now I've done the part that's called expanding, or I've expanded, so I'll just make a note that that's the expand part. But the question will also talk about simplifying. And it can be simplified because these two middle terms are the same type of term. They're called like terms. And so we can add them together or subtract them. So the 4x and the 3x make 7x. So we can rewrite it then as x squared. There's no like terms that go with the x squared, plus 7x plus 12. And in every example, it's going to be the middle two terms that we're going to simplify, or the terms in x or just letters. So let's move on to the next one. I'm going to drag my finger, or your finger, onto the number, and I'm going to multiply the x by the x, and obviously I get x squared, then the x times the 5, so that's plus 5x. Then I'm going to move my purple dot, or your finger, and I'm left with minus 3, so I can multiply that minus 3 by the x to get minus 3x. And then I can multiply my minus 3 by plus 5 to get minus 15. So we've left then with x squared. Now here's the tricky part. 5x minus 3x is plus 2x. And then we've still got the minus 15. Okay. Example 3 then. Let's move my finger again, or your finger and my purple dot. So we cover up the number, just left with the letter. And a times an a is a squared. And a times a minus 6 is minus 6a. We can now move our finger, or my purple dot. We're left with a plus 2. So plus 2 times a is plus 2a. And plus 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. We now come to simplify the middle two terms. So well, the a squared doesn't simplify. Minus 6a plus 2a. Now be careful here. There's more negative numbers, so it's going to be a negative answer. It's going to be minus 4a minus 12. And so now we can do the very last one. Okay, so let's move our dot again to cover up the number. We'll do b times b is b squared. B times minus 5 is minus 5b. Move your finger, or my purple dot, and we're left with minus 6, so minus 6 times b is minus 6b, and minus 6 times minus 5 is plus 30. The thing that's most difficult is dealing with the minus signs, but do be careful and I'm sure you'll get it right. Simplify the negative terms in the middle then. Well, we're left with a b squared minus 5b minus 6b is minus 11b, and then we've still got the plus 30. Now, that's me done, but I've left you with some questions. Okay, here they are. You have a go at them. So stop the video now, have a go at the questions, and then when you've finished, the answers will appear on the next screen. Have fun. Okay, so here's the answers. I hope you got them all right. If not, then check back and see what you got, why you went wrong, and see if you can understand. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also go and have a look at my website, which is rightmaths.com. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.